Hello, Fit Learner. Let me ask you something. What if I told you there's one simple thing you can do every day that'll not only get you fitter, but also make you feel unstoppable? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what running daily can do. But here's the catch. Starting a routine like this? It's tough. I won't sugarcoat it. There's sweat, sore muscles, and mornings where your bed definitely seems like the better option. But stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to push through those challenges and come out the other side feeling stronger, healthier, and even happier. By the end, you'll have everything you need to start running daily and actually enjoy it. So let's get to it. Benefits of daily running. Incorporating running into your daily routine offers a multitude of benefits that can significantly enhance your overall health. First and foremost, running is a fantastic way to improve cardiovascular health. It strengthens the heart, increases lung capacity, and boosts circulation, which can lead to a longer, healthier life. Additionally, regular running builds endurance, allowing you to engage in other physical activities with greater ease. But the benefits don't stop at physical health. Running is also a powerful tool for mental well-being. Many runners experience a natural high due to the release of endorphins, which can alleviate stress and elevate mood. It's often referred to as the runner's high, and it's a great way to combat anxiety and depression. Moreover, running plays a crucial role in weight management. By burning calories and building muscle, it helps maintain a healthy weight, which is essential for overall wellness. So, if you're looking to improve both your body and mind, daily running could be the perfect addition to your lifestyle. Getting started with running. If you're ready to lace up your shoes and hit the pavement, here are some essential tips for beginners looking to start running every day. First, it's crucial to set realistic goals. Begin with short distances and gradually increase your mileage as your body adapts. This approach not only helps prevent injuries, but also keeps you motivated as you achieve each milestone. Next, invest in proper footwear and gear. A good pair of running shoes can make a world of difference in comfort and performance. Look for shoes that provide adequate support and cushioning for your foot type. Additionally, consider moisture-wicking clothing to keep you comfortable during your runs. Finally, create a running schedule that fits your lifestyle. Whether you prefer early morning runs or evening jogs, consistency is key. Aim for a few days a week to start and gradually build up to daily runs. By incorporating these tips, you'll set yourself up for a successful and enjoyable running journey. Creating a running routine. Establishing a consistent running routine is key to reaping the benefits of daily running. Start by emphasizing the importance of consistency. Choose specific days of the week dedicated to running. This not only helps you build a habit, but also makes it easier to fit running into your schedule. Tracking your progress can be incredibly motivating. Consider using running apps or keeping a journal to log your distances, times, and how you feel after each run. This not only allows you to see your improvements over time, but also helps you stay accountable to your goals. Another great way to enhance your running experience is by finding a running buddy or joining a local running group. Having someone to run with can make the experience more enjoyable and provide additional motivation. Plus, it's a fantastic way to meet new people who share your passion for running. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to establishing a rewarding running routine that sticks. Overcoming challenges. Running every day can be incredibly rewarding, but it also comes with its share of challenges. Common obstacles include unpredictable weather, fatigue, and fluctuating motivation. When the weather isn't cooperating, consider having a backup plan, like running indoors on a treadmill or finding a local gym. To stay motivated, try setting small rewards for yourself after reaching specific milestones, whether it's treating yourself to new gear or enjoying a favorite snack. Mixing up your running routes can also keep things fresh and exciting, preventing boredom from creeping in. It's essential to listen to your body as well. If you're feeling fatigued or experiencing pain, don't hesitate to take a rest day. Recovery is just as important as the runs themselves. allowing your body to heal and grow stronger. By acknowledging these challenges and implementing strategies to overcome them, you'll be better equipped to maintain your daily running routine and enjoy the journey ahead. Conclusion. In summary, daily running offers a wealth of benefits, from improved cardiovascular health and enhanced mood to effective weight management. Establishing a consistent running routine is crucial for reaping these rewards, and it's important to set realistic goals, track your progress, and find support through running buddies or groups. Now that you're equipped with tips and strategies, it's time to take action. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and share your own running experiences in the comments below. Your stories can inspire others on their fitness journeys. Don't forget to explore more of our content related to fitness and health. We have plenty of videos that delve deeper into running techniques, nutrition tips, and overall wellness strategies. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Let's keep running together and supporting each other on this incredible journey toward better health.